Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable saving passwords on Google Chrome. Click three dots on the right top corner. Click Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Click Manage Passwords. Turn off Offer to save passwords. Other method is used to permanently turn off saving passwords. Type regedit in search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click HKey local machine. Click Software. Click Policies. Create new key under Policies, name Google. Create new key under Google, named Chrome. Right-click, New, stored 32-bit value. Type Password Manager enabled. Value is 0. Now open Chrome. Offer to save passwords is permanently disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.